Hello again and welcome back. So you've learned how to capture your visitors' emails, and in this lecture you're going to learn how to reach them by creating email campaigns. And in this specific example, we're going to learn how to take the optimized blog post that we have and send it out to all of our email subscribers. So let's get started. So from inside our MailChimp account, we're going to move over to the left where it says create, then go to email, regular, and then we're going to give this campaign a name. We're going to call it Benefit of Blue Light Glasses and Gaming. And currently we're getting two options. We're getting the new build, the beta builder, and the classic builder. When you're watching this might not be in the beta version anymore because it's been in that version for a while, but we're going to select the new builder anyhow. And next up, there are a bunch of different templates that you can choose from, and you can use any one you're comfortable with. Me personally, I like my emails to be minimalistic and look like emails rather than having a lot of different colors and a lot of things going on. So I'm going to go with minimal and click on apply. Okay, so now we can start designing our email. Now, the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the logo here because I am not going to want a logo. So I'm gonna select this section and delete block. And then I'm going to delete this section as well. And then I'm going to keep the photo in here. And I'm going to add in a paragraph. I just want a piece of text. So I'm going to click and hold, drag and drop. It is this simple to use MailChimp and creating campaigns. And in fact, I'm going to want to have my image on the top. So I'm going to select the image, hover over here, and then just drag it up above the paragraph. There we go. So now I'm going to start designing. The first thing I want to do is I want to add in the image of my blog post. So in order to do that, all I need to do is move back to the back end of my website and go to the media library. So in here, dashboard, media library, click on this image, download file. Gonna head back here, click on add photo, click on add, upload image, and then I just select it from my download folder. There we go, awesome. And then I want an enticing piece of text down below here. So the question is, what should I write in order to make my subscribers interested in this blog post? Well, of course, we should ask our trusty friend ChatGPT. So let's head over to our guidebook and then move towards the email marketing section and click on create email campaign. So we're going to use this prompt called summarize article into email format. I'm going to select all of it, copy, head into ChatGPT and paste it in. So it says, act as an email marketer, summarize the following article in between 50 to 125 words for my business named, and then I'm going to set in Blue Light Defenders. Now, even though that's our website name, your business name could also be, in our case, for example, Robin and Jesper. So make sure that you present yourself in the way that you want to present yourself. Include a subject line that's less than 9 words long and uses a maximum of 1 emoji. So we're gonna set everything up here. Also include a short preview, design it as an email meant to promote and engage subscribers to read the full article. Use a friendly tone of voice and simple terms. And then again, if you don't want simple terms, you just remove this part. Highlight the benefits their readers may get from the article and provide a clear call to action at the end. And then here, we're supposed to add in the article. So let's go ahead and grab it. I'm going to go back here, close it down, go to site, blog, click on the article. I'm going to grab all of this, and then I'm going to remove this piece, jump down, paste it in, hit enter. So it gave me a nice piece of text here that I can use. So we have a subject and a preview, but this is the part we're looking for. So I'm going to grab all of this, copy it, head back in here, click there, and just paste it in. And then I'm just going to format it. For example, hey there, and then I want a space, or you're passionate gamers. I'm going to do another paragraph, another paragraph, another paragraph, paragraph. And then I'm going to remove this part because it says check out the full article here and explore our range of high quality blue light glasses. I don't want that in the email. I'm going to remove it. Remember, it's not just about winning the game, it's about winning it with good health and comfort. I'm loving this. Best Blue Light Defenders team. Okay, so this is looking amazing so far. I'm going to scroll down now and I'm going to change this. I want this button to link directly to my blog post. So I'm going to head back and we're in the blog post. So that means that this is the URL. I'm going to copy, paste it in here, and I want to change the button text here as well. So I want it to say read more. and it will take them directly to this blog article. Scrolling down, I haven't set up any social media, so I'm going to remove that. And then we have add your logo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Once you've set and uploaded the logo, it's going to be by default the same logo on all of your emails if you decide to use it. So I'm gonna click on set logo, upload image, and there it is, and it's huge. I'm just gonna make it smaller. I'm gonna change the padding here, maybe 30, 30, and left and right, maybe 100, 100. Let's see, it's good, maybe 200. That's good. I don't want it to be too big. I just want it to be visible. And I also want to link it to the website. So I can just grab this first part of the URL here, copy it, and then paste it in. And then for the rest, there's nothing we need to do. It's going to be automatically added text here for the current year, the company that you have listed, and the email address with your address. And all of this is mandatory by law. So there's nothing more to do here. So then next up, we're going to go ahead and click on save and exit. I'm going to set the new builder as the default email. So where do I want to send it to? I want it to send it to all the subscribed contacts. We have one list. I want to send it to all of them from Blue Light Defenders. And that's going to be bluelightdefenders@gmail.com. And then the question is, what is going to be the subject? Well, we've gotten that from ChatGPT. So the subject is level up your gaming with blue light glasses. Going to copy it, click on add subject, paste it in. And then we want a preview text as well. I'm going to grab this, experience gaming without a strain, join the Blue Light Defenders. Paste it in. And rather than join the Blue Light Defenders, I'm gonna change this to check this out to learn more. So remember, this is going to be as a preview in the inbox. We want them to be enticed and click on the email. And then I'm gonna click on save. And then once we have everything set up, we can go ahead and click on schedule or send. I'm gonna click on send and then send it to all the subscribers. Amazing, well done. We've created our first email campaign and sent it out to all of our subscribers. So once you've sent your email campaign, it's gonna take anywhere from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours before it's sent to everyone. If it's a really big list, it might even take 24 hours. So then what you can do the next day is go and click on check email report. And then you're gonna get in here where you get all of this magical data, or rather reportings on how your email campaign actually performed. Now, the most important thing to know as a benchmark to compare your own performance towards is scrolling down until you see open rate and click rate. Now, it's gonna vary depending on what it is you're sending out, what niche you're in, etc. But generally, the average open rates for emails in email marketing is around 15 to 25%. And the average click rate is between 2 to 3%. So if you're anywhere around there, know that you're doing really good. If you're below, something is off that needs to be improved. And if you're above that, then you're doing really well. So congratulate yourself, but make sure that you are at least within that span. So open rate 15 to 25% and click rate 2 to 3%. And to be really clear, an open rate is how many percent that actually clicked and opened your mail. And the click rate is how many percent that clicked anywhere in your mail. So maybe a link to your website, a link to your product, or in our case, a link to the blog article. Well done. So now that you know how to create email campaigns, you might be wondering, besides promoting your blog post, what other sorts of email campaigns can you be creating? In the next lecture, I'm going to show you a ton of different types of emails that you can be creating. And you will also get access to the copy-paste prompts so that you can start creating those types of emails right away. See you in the next lecture.